Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Monday, February 23rd. Interesting day of trades today. Where do I start? Well, took an early ES loss in the morning, the first trade of the morning. Get you know, it was a loss, no big deal. Found what I considered to be a really nice setup on the NQ. Let everybody know I was going long, and I actually can't believe that I did it again, but I actually hit the sell button instead of the buy button. And that's going to be the same mistake done twice in a matter of about 2 weeks. Did a video on the exact same mistake 2 Wednesdays ago. Said that it was a mistake that I couldn't really see myself doing now or really ever. And here I am looking back. And that was the kind of the pivotal morning, the pivotal part of the morning that kind of turned things into semi shit show this morning for trading. That would have been a nice 30-point winner. Would have gotten me, I don't know, maybe plus 800 for the morning, the second trade of the day. And actually, maybe a little more than 800. It probably would have gotten me closer to 1,100 or $1,200 up for the day. And ended up taking my first group of funded accounts down to negative. I think it ended off negative 3,600 on that group, and said, that's close to my 3R kind of limit per day. So in fact, I was actually anticipating kind of just closing up shop for that day and coming back tomorrow. But I ended up switching to my second funded group. I stagger my accounts, so I trade a different group every day. So I have three groups of funded accounts with about, I don't know, I would say probably around 7 to 8 accounts per group. And took two really nice wins. Took a nice, what was it right here? Took a long here for 15 points. Took a short here for 30 points. So that was 45 points that I got back in the market. Brought down my P&L to like negative 1,100 from 3,800 that I was down. And ended off the stream with another short here that got knocked off just to see the move. So obviously would have ended up working, but got myself kind of caught in some consolidation here. A few mental mistakes here today. And again, I just feel like I'm not getting that momentum that I like. That early momentum is what's been kind of suffering the last 2 weeks. Even though I'm green for February, it's green for January. I just don't feel like the trading's been the absolute best. Definitely hasn't been the best. I think I should probably be concentrating maybe a little bit more strongly on my weekly bands and just off of my reaction bands. I mean, just the reaction bands alone that I have in purple that I put on every day is more than enough to get you into a really nice profit place for the day. And I do see these continuation moves. I also, when I talk my trades through, where I really sit, kind of come up with my game plan, those trades seem to work 9 out of 10 times. Today, after that mistake, I think it was right after that mistake that I made, kind of mapped out an unbalanced volume area that really wasn't super qualified. It wasn't like an A plus unbalanced area, and ended up taking two trades on 2 different time frames. Kind of trying to maybe convince myself that the market was going to go long. Fought the trend there a little bit, and I want to take that back. I wasn't fighting the trend. We were in an uptrend at that point, but kind of got caught into some kind of sideways bullshit. And again, not really in the areas of high value for me, which my high value areas are my reaction bands, which are the purple bands that you see on the live stream every morning. I've got my weekly bands that are super strong, and then obviously my signals. I just really haven't had a signal that I found a signal here today on the NQ, but just price action hasn't gone in and tapped into it. So it's been a little frustrating. I'm going to be honest with you. So my group 1 was down 3,600. My group 2 was up. I think it was probably close to up $2,000 for the day, and then I think I ended off at like 1,400 up. So overall, my P&L for today was negative 2,400. So not the worst. I mean, it's about an hour and a half. Well, close. Let's call it 2 hour down for the day. But it's just those small mental mistakes that will absolutely destroy you, you know. And it's those are the ones that I really got to limit. And I mean, the button is I got a green button and I got a red button. I don't know how much bigger I need to make those buttons to not make that mistake. You know, I don't know. It's just focus, mental, too many things maybe going on at the exact same time. I don't know. I feel like I'm in a good state when I'm trading. I'll typically know right away if something's a little bit off, but and I know it's one red day. I can't beat myself up too bad on it. I think one of my biggest faults is I'm maybe trying to be perfect, and I know that that's impossible. And I don't know, but tomorrow's a new day. I look forward to the trading mornings more than almost anything else. It is to me, it's not only is it exciting, but it's me and the charts. Obviously, I've got YouTube watching me, and I've got a lot of people in my signal group that are watching me. But I truly feel like it's me and the charts, and I really do try to hone in on that. So I don't know. We'll go in tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see if the setups appear. Price action today was, I don't know, maybe not the greatest, but there was moves. There wasn't that like continuation push. I know ATR was a little bit lower today, but tomorrow is a new day, and I'll be looking to come back stronger tomorrow. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. I'm curious to see how you guys navigated through the markets here today. I will say I'm getting a little closer to trading gold. Gold has definitely been reacting really nicely lately from the bands that I've been drawing out. So I could see that coming up on the horizons here very shortly. Hope you guys had a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.